Okay, this is the mock STAAR test for 2015. Number 1. Which label could replace A in the diagram below? Real numbers, integers, A. A is rational numbers, B whole numbers, C negative numbers, D irrational numbers. Number 2. Alejandra wrote the number 6,240,000 in scientific notation. Which number did he write? A. 6.25 times 10 to the negative 6th power. B. 6.24 times 10 to the negative 5th power. C. 6.24 times 10 to the 5th power. D. 6.24 times 10 to the 6th power. Number 3. The lengths in centimeters of 4 line segments are shown below. 3.1, 3.5, 3 1/5, 4.2. Which list shows the lengths in orders from least to greatest? A. 3.1, 3 1/5, 3.5, 4.2. B. 3.1, 3.5, 3 1/5, 4.2. C. 3 1/5, 3.1, 3.5, 4.2. And D. 4.2, 3.5, 3 1/5, 3.1. Number 4. Carlos has a square tablecloth with a total area of 48 square feet. Which measurement is closest to the length of each side of the tablecloth in feet? A. 9.8 feet. B. 5.0 feet. C. 12.0 feet. Or D. 6.9 feet. Number 5. A figure is dilated by a factor of 3. Which statements about the measurements of the image is true? A. The perimeter of the original figure is multiplied by 3. The area is multiplied by 9. B. The perimeter and area of the original figure are tripled. C. The perimeter of the original figure is multiplied by 9 and the area is multiplied by 27. D. The perimeter of the original figure is multiplied by 9 and the area is multiplied by 3. Number 6. The gray figure is the image of the black figure after a dilation. The gray figure is this shape. The black figure is this shape. Which represents the dilation? A. X to Y changes to 1/2 X, 1/2 Y. B. X to Y changes to 2X, 2Y. C. XY changes to 3X, 3Y. D. XY changes to 6X, 6Y. Number 7. Triangle Q, R, and S and triangle Q, T, and V are similar. Which equation must be true? A. T and V over R and S is equal to T and Q over R and Q. B. TQ over VQ is equal to TV over TR. C. TQ over SQ is equal to RQ over RS. And D. TV over VQ is equal to RS over RQ. Number 8. What is the slope of the line described by the data in the table below? X 0, 1, 2, 3, Y 2, 4, 6, and 8. Answer choices are A, -2, B, 1/2, C, -1/2, D, 2. Number 9. Which of the following is the equation of the line graphed below? A. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 2. B. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. C. Y is equal to negative 2x minus 2. D. Y is equal to 2x plus 2. Number 10. A weightlifter is adding plates of equal weight to a bar. The table below shows the total weight, including the bar, that he will lift depending on the number of plates on the bar. Number of plates, 2, 4, 6, 8. Total weight in pounds, 115, 185, 255, 325. Based on this information, which statement is true? A. The bar weighs 35 pounds without any plates. B. The bar weighs 70 pounds without any plates. C. The bar weighs 45 pounds without any plates. And D. The bar weighs 25 pounds without any plates. Number 11. Which of the following graphs does not show a linear relationship? Number 12. Which of the following equations represents a proportional relationship? A. Y is equal to 5x. B. Y is equal to 1/2 x plus 5. C. Y is equal to 5 divided by x. D. Y is equal to x plus 1/2. Number 13. Which of the following tables represents a function? Number 14. Polygon QRS and T below was dilated by a scale factor of 9/5 to create polygon Q prime, R prime, S prime, and T prime. What is the length in centimeters of line segment R prime, S prime? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 15. A cell phone company charges $50 for the phone plus a monthly service charge of $30. The equation below describes the total cost Y after X months. Y is equal to 30X plus 50. Which is true of the relationship between X and Y? A. It is linear and proportional. B. It is linear and non-proportional. C. It is not linear and proportional. D. It is not linear and non-proportional. Number 16. A leopard's speed was timed over a 50-yard distance. The leopard was running 50 miles per hour. Which equation shows the relationship between the distance in miles y and time x the leopard runs? A. Y is equal to 50x. B. Y is equal to 60x plus 50. C. Y is equal to 50x plus 60. D. Y is equal to 60x. Number 17. In the diagram below, R, S, T, and U is a rectangle, and the two shaded regions are squares. This is the shaded region, and this is the shaded region. If the length of line segment SR is 4 meters, and the length of line segment ST is 8 meters, what is the length of line segment PQ in meters? A. The square root of 80. B. The square root of 24. C. The square root of 68. Or D. The square root of 144. Number 18. Jamal deposited $4,500 into an account that pays 4% interest compounded annually. Which expression can be used to find the value of his investment after 6 years? A. 4,500 times 1.04 raised to the 6th power. B, $4,500 times 1.06 raised to the 4th power. C, 4,500 times 0.04 times 6. Or D, 4,500 times 1.04 times 6. Number 19. Martin used the diagram below to explain the Pythagorean theorem to a classmate. Which statement did Martin use in his explanation? A, 3 squared plus 4 squared is less than 5 squared. B, 5 squared plus 4 squared equals 3 squared. C, 3 squared plus 5 squared is equal to 4 squared. D, 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. Number 20. The graph below shows the balance remaining on Jason's loan after he makes each payment. The title is Jason's Loan Balance. This is balance remaining in dollars. Number of payments made. Based on this graph, what will be the balance remaining on Jason's loan after he makes the 12th payment? A, $750. B, $150. C, $450. Or D, $300. 21. A fabric storage box is shaped like a rectangular prism with an open top as shown below. How much fabric is needed to cover the outside of the box? A, 200 centimeters squared. B, 260 centimeters squared. C, 340 centimeters squared. Or D, 400 centimeters squared. Number 22. On the grid below, what is the distance between points A and B? A, 3 units. B, 4 units. C, 5 units. Or D, 25 units. Number 23. A hat box in the shape of a cylinder is modeled below. The diameter of the cylinder is 24 inches. The height of the cylinder is 8 inches. The volume of the cylinder can be found by using the formula V is equal to big B times H. Which expression can be used to determine B, the area of the base of this hat box in square inches? F, 24 squared times pi. G, 12 squared times pi. H, 8 squared times 12. Or J, 12 squared times 8. Number 24. Vrinda and Billy are traveling at the same speed. Vrinda drives 3 hours. Billy drives another hour and goes 20 more miles. Which equation can be solved to find how fast the cars are going? A, 4x plus 20 is equal to 4x. B, 4x plus 20 is equal to 3x. C, 3x plus 20 is equal to 4x. D, 3x plus 20 is equal to 3x. Number 25. The equation below can be used to solve which of the following word problems? 2x plus 15 is equal to 4x. A, the price of 4 books is $15 more than the price of 2 books. What is the price per book? B, the price of 2 books is $15 more than the price of 4 books. What is the price per book? C, the price of 4 books equals $15. What is the price per book? D, John bought a certain number of $2 books and $4 books for a total of $15. How many of each book did he buy? 26. Mariana rides her bicycle 5 miles per hour. Which graph represents this relationship? Number 27. Which equation shows the relationship in the table below? A, y is equal to x. B, y is equal to 2x. C, y is equal to 3x. Or D, y is equal to 4x. Number 28. The vertices of a triangle are located at the points A, 0, 1, B, 2, 4, and C, 3, 0. The triangle is translated 5 units down to obtain triangle A', B', and C'. What are the coordinates of the vertices of triangle A', B', and C'? A, 0, -4, B', 2, -1, C', 3, -5. B, A', 0, 6, B', 2, 9, C', 3, 5. C, A', -5, 1, B', -3, 4, C', -2, 0. D, A' is 5, 1, B', 7, 4, C' is 8, 0. 29. Jenna obtained the image of triangle A, B, and C after a dilation with a scale factor of 3. The area of triangle A, B, and C is 15 square centimeters and the perimeter is 20 centimeters. Which of the following describes the area and perimeter of the new figure? A, the area is 45 centimeters squared and the perimeter is 60 centimeters. B, the area is 135 centimeters squared and the perimeter is 60 centimeters. C, the area is 45 centimeters squared and the perimeter is 180 centimeters. D, the area is 135 centimeters squared and the perimeter is 180 centimeters. Number 30. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the two variables in the scatter plot below? A, positive linear association. B, negative linear association. C, no association. D, quadratic association. Number 31. The equation 5w plus 3 is equal to 4w plus 9 is modeled below. What value of w makes the equation true? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 32. What is the mean absolute deviation of the data shown below? A, 2.4, B, 2.9, C, 4.1, D, 8.0. Number 33. Alyssa is choosing between the two loans shown in the table below. How do the loans compare? Duration, interest rate, loan A, loan B. Answer choices are A, loan A will have higher monthly payments but lower total cost. B, loan A will have higher monthly payments and higher total cost. C, loan B will have higher monthly payments but lower total cost. D, loan B will have higher monthly payments and higher total cost. 34. Jesse deposited $2,500 into a savings account that pays 3% simple interest per year. How much interest does she earn per year on the investment? A, $75, B, $2,500.03, C, $2,503, or D, $7,500. Number 35. To get from home to work, Felix can either take a bike path through this rectangular park or ride his bike along two sides of the park. How much farther would Felix travel by riding along two sides of the park than he would by taking the path through the park? A, 1.7 miles, B, 0.6 miles, C, 2.5 miles, or D, 0.1 mile. 36. Edward saves money by investing 6% of each of his paychecks in his individual retirement account, IRA. Which of the following describes how his investment will grow over 30 years of saving? A. His investment will most likely be worth less than the total amount he deposits over the years. B. His investment will most likely be worth exactly the same as the total amount he deposits over the years. C. His investment will most likely be worth slightly more than the total amount he deposits over the years. Or D. His investment will most likely be worth significantly more than the total amount he deposits over the years. 37. The measures of the three angles of a triangle are 3x degrees, x minus 15 degrees, and 2x plus 15 degrees. What is the measure of the angle with the greatest measure? A. 15 degrees, B. 35 degrees, C. 75 degrees, D. 90 degrees. Number 38. The graph models the value of a machine over a 10-year period. Value of machine, value thousands of dollars, age of the machine in years. Which equation best represents the relationship between x, the age of the machine in years, and y, the value of the machine in dollars over a 10-year period? A. Y is equal to negative 0.002x plus 2,500. B. Y is equal to negative 500x plus 8,000. C. Y is equal to 500x plus 8,000. D. Y is equal to 0.002x plus 2,500. Number 39. Melvin analyzed prices of laptop computers based on the speed of the processor. He calculated the trend line to be represented by the equation below, where x is the speed of the processor in gigahertz and y is the price. Y is equal to 103x plus 205. Which amount below is closest to the price of a laptop with a processor speed of 2 gigahertz? A. $310, B. $411, C. $513, D. $616. Number 40. Which of the following sets of ordered pairs does not represent a function? A. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. B. Negative 2, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 2. C. 0, 1, 0, 2, negative 3, 6, 2, 7. D. Negative 1, 3, 6, 5, 3, 1, and 2, 1. Number 41. The dimensions of a cylinder water tank are shown below. Which of the following is the best estimate of the volume in this water tank? A. 58,320 yards cubed. B. 3,240 yards cubed. C. 14,580 yards cubed. Or D. 19,440 yards cubed. Which equation represents the data shown in the table below? A. Y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. B. Y is equal to x plus 1. C. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. D. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Number 43. At a bookstore, the price of 2 notebooks plus a $40 backpack is the same as the price of 10 notebooks. Which equation could be used to find the price of each notebook? A. 2x is equal to 10x plus 40. B. 2x plus 40 is equal to 10x. C. 40 is equal to 2x plus 10x. D. 2x minus 40 is equal to 10x. Number 44. A water heater has a diameter of 18 inches. It sits in a drain pan that has a diameter of 22 inches and a height of 2 inches as modeled in the diagram below. Water heater, drain pan. The top view of the water heater inside of the drain pan, water heater, drain pan. Water that leaks out of the water heater sits in the drain pan. Which of the following is closest to the maximum amount of water that the drain pan can contain with the water heater in the position shown? A. 13 inches cubed, B. 1,005 inches cubed, C. 251 inches cubed, D. 50 inches cubed. 45. The mass of a substance varies directly with the volume of the substance. The volume of 100 kilograms of the substance is 80 liters. What is the volume in liters of 3.2 kilograms of this substance? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Number 46. Ashton applied a sequence of transformations to obtain triangle B from triangle A as shown below. Which of the following describes a sequence of transformations that could have been used? A. A translation right followed by a translation up. B. A translation followed by a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. C. A reflection across the x-axis followed by a reflection in the y-axis. D. A reflection across the y-axis followed by a dilation. Number 47. Sakura has a birdhouse with rectangular walls, a rectangular bottom, and a rectangular entry like the one modeled below. She will paint the 4 outside walls, but not the bottom or the roof of the birdhouse. What is the area that Sakura will paint? A. 320 inches squared, B. 160 inches squared, C. 300 inches squared, or D. 140 inches squared. Number 48. Darian can attend either a community college or a university. The annual costs for each are shown in the table below. Yearly college cost, tuition, room and board, fees, community college, university. What is the total cost to attend the community college for 2 years? A. $4,210, B. $12,652, C. $12,892, or D. $39,110. Number 49. Which lettered point shows the position of the square root of 20 on the number line below? A is A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Number 50. The drawing below shows a side view of a picture frame on Mary's desk. Which of the following is closest to the length of the frame support? A. 20 centimeters, B. 15 centimeters, C. 12 centimeters, or D. 17 centimeters. Number 51. What is the solution to the system of equations shown below? Y is equal to 3x plus 20 and y is equal to 5x plus 2. A. 9, 47, B. 9, 45, C. 9, 27, D. negative 11, negative 53. 52. At the cafe, Padma can choose to earn $12 per hour plus $100 starting bonus, or to earn $16 per hour with no starting bonus. After how many hours of work will she earn the same amount under both payment options? A. 4 hours, B. 25 hours, C. 50 hours, and D. 84 hours. To the nearest tenth, what is the distance between the points -3, 3 and 1, 2? A. 2.2 units, B. 4.1 units, C. 5.4 units, or D. 6.4 units. Number 54. Parallelogram ABCD was transformed to form parallelogram A prime B prime C prime D prime. Which rule describes the transformation that was used to form parallelogram A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime? F, x comma negative y. G, negative x comma y. H, x plus 6 comma negative y. J, negative x comma y minus 3. 55. In the diagram below, lines L and M are parallel and are both intersected by transversal T. What is the value of x? A, 15, B, 30, C, 45, D, 135. 56. What is the solution to the system of equations graphed below? A, 1, 3, B, 3, 1, C, 0, negative 1, D, 0, 5.5. Number 57, figure TUVW is shown on the grid below. Which of the following shows the figure TUVW translated 3 units up and 2 units to the right to form the image T prime, U prime, V prime, W prime?